The 70s are back. I'm so sorry, but they brought their juicers with them. Adam's here. He's going to tell us why we should be juicing and which juicer to buy.
It's all about health, vitality, and flavor, Bridget. That's why we should be juicing.
All right, I'm all ears.
There are two types of juicers for fruits and vegetables. One is centrifugal. The other is what we have here, masticating. These are called slow or cold press juicers, and they work by means of an auger, which is like a big screw sort of mechanism, and you can kind of see it right in there with this model. That will grind up the produce, it gets pushed against the filter, and out comes your delicious, vital, healthful juice.
It's chewing up the food.
It's chewing up the food, and it gets pressed against the filter, and the juice comes out. We have 5 different models here. They were priced from $270 to $450, so they do not come cheap. We tested them on carrots, kale, and grapes. We were looking at the quality and the quantity of the juice. We were looking at the speed and efficiency with which all of that produce was juiced. We were also looking at how easy these were to assemble, operate, disassemble, clean, etc.
That's a big part of it.
That's a big part of it.
Cleaning.
These took an average of about 1.5 minutes to juice a pound of carrots. I have a special treat for you, Bridget, a glass of carrot juice right here. I want you to taste that. It came from that juicer.
Oh, and it came with a lovely lace of carrot around it. Oh, that's something else. I would call that chunky.
Extra fiber. Sorry, Bridget. I feel bad doing this to you. You can tell some of these juices were smoother than others. This one was a particularly gritty juice. I have to be honest about cleaning these things. It's a process. Some of these things were a little harder to take apart and put back together. Others were a little bit easier. The filters were kind of a drag to clean because you had to really get in there and scrub them. So none of them are a dream to clean. If you want a masticating juicer, this is the one to get. This is the Omega Vertical Square Low Speed Juicer. It's $400. Ooh. Nice smooth juice of all types, including the kale, which I know is special for you. Pretty quick to operate, pretty easy to put together, take apart, and clean. This is definitely the juicer to beat in this group.
Well, you know, even though it's pricey, vegetable juice and fruit juice that are fresh pressed at the market are really expensive, so maybe it'll pay off.
In the long run, you'll save some money.
If you juice a lot at home, then maybe you want to invest in our top juicer. It's the Omega Vertical Square Low Speed Juicer, and it runs about $400. Looking for kitchen inspiration on the go?
Check out the America's Test Kitchen mobile app.
Cook with confidence and take our recipes, reviews, and more wherever you go.
Access thousands of fail-proof recipes, equipment reviews, how-to videos, and full episodes of our TV shows.
With smart searching, favorites, and other tools, it's your ultimate kitchen companion.
Download the America's Test Kitchen mobile app today. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, head over to americastestkitchen.com and get a free all-access trial membership.
While you're there, you can sign up for our free email newsletters and download our app.
With unlimited access to over 14,000 of our test kitchen recipes and 8,000 product reviews, you'll have everything you need to cook and learn.
So I ask, what are you waiting for?
Let's make something great together.